Welcome to today's tutorial. I'll guide you step by step on how to create an UDP Hysteria server and set it up using the AGN Injector VPN client. This setup will ensure fast and secure internet browsing. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the UDP Hysteria server. First, open a web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. You'll see various results. Click on the official UDP Custom website to proceed with creating the UDP Hysteria server. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. If you're using a mobile device, tap the menu icon to access the options. Scroll down until you find Premium UDP, then select it. A new menu will appear. Choose UDP Hysteria server to begin the setup process. You'll be directed to an account creation form. Fill in your desired username and password. Make sure to choose something memorable. After that, check the CAPTCHA box to verify you're not a robot and click the Create Now button. Your server will be created in a few seconds, and you'll see important details like your username, password, IP address, and port. Be sure to write these down or copy them to a notepad, as you'll need them later for the VPN configuration. Step 2. Download the AGN Injector VPN app. Next, let's download the AGN Injector VPN app. Open the Google Play Store and search for AGN Injector. Once you find the app, tap on it and hit the Install button. The installation may take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, launch the app. When you open AGN Injector VPN for the first time, you'll be taken to the home page. You'll see various VPN protocols listed. Since we're setting up a UDP server, select the UDP radio button. Step 3. Configure the UDP settings. Now let's configure the UDP settings. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a menu button. Tap on it and select UDP settings. This will bring you to a page with fields that need to be filled in with the server details you created earlier. Enter the IP address, port, username, and password that you saved. After filling out all the required fields, tap the Save button to apply your settings. Step 4. Connect to the VPN. Return to the app's home screen. You'll see a Connect button at the bottom. Simply tap this button and the AGN Injector VPN will connect to the UDP Hysteria server you set up. If everything is configured correctly, your VPN connection will start, allowing you to browse the internet securely and quickly. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.